Hello trader, welcome to my Forex channel. Here you will learn the secret of Forex, charts, breakdown, live setup and the strategies that actually works in the markets. Whether you are a beginner or already trading, I will guide you step by step with clear explanation. The first one is I'm going to tell you about the support resistance. So here you will see today we are going to analyze GEP AOD. Here we are in 1 day time frame. We are going to draw a support resistance. A horizontal support resistance are drawn at this level, 2.10, and the second is here. The price is retest at this level, and here the last one is 2.050. So here this is our support resistance and it is also known as our psychological level. The price is retest at this level. So here you will see in the market, here the price is going in the up direction, then it comes at this level, at this support level, then going to the next resistance. The price is going at this support level, it means a price level where the market trend to stop falling and buying is stepping. Okay, so that's the reason retest here, then going to the next resistance. It means a price level where the market trends to stop rising and selling is taken. So that's the reason it's become resistance hour, then going to the next support level. Here you also see here our uptrend is here, then it comes at this level for the retest support level, then going to the next resistance. So that's the reason the support resistance is our very important. It helps to know about the prices moving. Here I draw this box to know about where the retest. Here price retest at this level. Okay, so why support resistance is very important. In this level, big traders are buying and selling. It helps to traders buy near at this support and sell near the resistance. Almost every trader strategies, trends, big breakout, Fibonacci, supply demand, price action is connected to support resistance. Okay, so that's the reason it is very important. Now you need to learn about the trend. A trend is a financial market is a generally direction in which the price of a asset like currency pair gold is moving over a certain period of time. So how to identify a trend? So here we are in 1 day time frame. Here you are watching, this is our 8 EMA and here it is our 14 EMA. When this 8 EMA crosses downside, so it's called downtrend, and this 8 EMA crosses offsides, so it's called uptrend. Okay, so here you see, here the trend is up and here our trend is down because 8 EMA crosses downside. So our current trend is up. Here you will see. So that's the reason we are going to analyze upside. So here after the trend, I am going to tell you about the structure for uptrend because our trend is up. Here you need to understand uptrend structure, how we draw or downtrend. Here the structure for uptrend is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, like this. And the structure for downtrend is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. Okay, so here you see this is a structure for downtrend, and here this is a structure for uptrend. In 1 day time frame, our trend is up, so markets makes the structure like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so this is also called W pattern for uptrend, and here M pattern for downtrend. Okay, so now we are going into the chart. Here you will see the structure for uptrend. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low here, then going to the new higher high. Okay, so here you will see this is the structure for uptrend, and it is also called W pattern. Here you will see this is going in the form of W. Now we are going in 4 hour time frame. Here you will see our trend is up. This is our trend line. It shows our trend is up. Why trend is very important? Here it helps to avoid trading against market momentums. If the market is making higher high, higher low on the 4 hour chart, it means it is uptrend. A smart trader looks for buying opportunity at pullback, support zone, or Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so now after the trend, after the structure, we are going to draw a Fibonacci. You need to understand about the Fibonacci, how we use in this chart. Fibonacci is drawn recent higher low to the next higher high. Here you will see markets makes higher low here, higher high here, higher low here, then going to the now next higher high. Okay, here you will see this is all are our key levels. Okay, so but there are common key levels is between 50 to 61% at this level. Here you will see in the market is reach at the 61 to 78% between at this level. I will told you this is all are our key level, but there are common key levels. Price is retest at this level generally. Here still the price is not retest. We are waiting for the markets comes at this level 50%. When market reach at this level, then we are ready to long position. Then after retest, this is our target minus 27% at this level. After the confirmation, here we enter the trade at this 50%. Our stop loss is 80% here, and our target is minus 27% at this level. Okay, so here you guys, this is analyzed for GBP GBP AUD in 4 hour time frame. This is my Telegram channel for Skill Premium. Here I provide you daily signal of gold. You see the result, and in the end of the day, I will give you trade report, how much we profit, how much we loss. And if you want to learn more about trading, then this is my courses. Then 20 plus videos I will provide you where I cover up this all topics. And if you also want my personal mentorship, then join my live mentorship classes. Here, me and my team will personally help you step by step to make you profitable trader. We cover up all lessons. Like the first one is how to draw support resistance psychological level, and the second how to identify trends and draw a trend line moving average settings. Third one is how to identify structure and ABCD pattern. And fourth one is how to draw Fibonacci's and Fibonacci settings, how to use SL and TP, how to enter the trade, risk management and money management. I've covered up all these topics. And if you want to join, then text me in Forest Skill Support. My team will respond soon. Only few seats are left, so join fast. If my video is helpful for you, like and subscribe my channel.